Welcome back to Curiosity Matters. Last time, we defined what is geopolitics and learned that geography shapes global power. In this video, we're going to answer the question, what is sovereignty? We've heard the word on the news, but what does it really mean? Imagine someone walked into your home and said, "From now on, I make the rules here." What would you say? No way, right? Same with countries. Sovereignty means that the country has a right to govern its own house. It means it can set the laws, control its territory, decide who can and cannot cross the borders, set policies, and make its own decisions. But then you ask, aren't all countries sovereign? And the answer is yes, but not all countries have the same level of independence. Some depend on more powerful countries for protection. For example, South Korea. It's a sovereign country. It makes its own laws, it elects its own leaders, but because it faces a threat from the North Korea, it has to form the military alliance with the United States. So in return, the United States gets the military bases in South Korea and strategic presence in East Asia. So both countries benefit in this case. But now let's think about that. So on paper, South Korea is sovereign country. However, don't you think its decision might be influenced by the powerful country it relies on for protection? What do you think? Now let's look at European Union. Countries like Italy, Germany, France, they're still sovereign, but they chose to share some decisions like trade and business rules. Why? Because working together gives them bigger economy and stronger voice in the world. But as you know, there is always a trade-off. Those countries cannot just do whatever they want because they agreed to follow common rules. So what have we learned today? A sovereign country is the one that can make its own decisions, but in reality, not all countries are completely independent. So next time you hear about the conflict or alliance, ask yourself, who is in control? Who holds the power? Thank you for watching. I'm Victoria Rossi. Until next time, stay curious because curiosity matters.